Hi everyone! Today we're gonna be showing paano mag-maintain and chain ng motor natin. It doesn't matter if it's a big bike or not, basta if it's using a chain as a final drive, then this will be applicable. It's importante din that we know how to maintain this. Hindi yung syempre sakay lang tayo ng sakay, kita nyo naman ito madumi na. So you also need to make sure that it's clean, that it's maintained regularly. Syempre para rin sa mas tumagal yung buhay ng kadena natin. So here, what we'll be using is a degreaser. So I have this degreaser and chain lube mamaya. Also need to use a brush, chain brush. Make sure na ganito yung makanap kayo na ganito para almost all sides, 3 sides of the chain malinisan niya. And we'll be using some Allen wrench kasi may part dito sa front sprocket that we need to remove yung cover para malinisan din natin yung part na yun, yung sprocket doon. Okay, so for this motorcycle we have 1, 2 and 3 doon there. So tatlong screws ang kailangan natin tanggalin para malinis natin siya. Like that. There you go. First one. Second nakatago. Tagal ko na hindi nalilinisan to. So I think it's about time. Finally, this one to kasi medyo nakatago siya talaga. Okay, there we go. Talagang tiyagaan lang para malinis. And of course, everyone can you can do this at home with just simple tools. Simple naman ang gagawin dito, konting baklasan lang. Here, tanggal na natin to. The third screw out. Tanggalin natin tong cover. Makita nyo kung gaano kadumi. There, see gaano karami ng naipon na dumi dyan. And of course, nakaka-apekto rin yan yung mga naipon dumi, iikot din yan dito. So kahit anong linis mo, nyari, if you clean the back part, kasi hindi mo nilinisan to, useless kasi ikot din siya dito yung dumi, makukuha lang ulit ng kadena. Okay, so let's start here sa likod. You can choose any kind of degreaser, basta safe siya sa o-ring. Kasi of course we have o-rings here sa mga chain and we also need to protect that. Tapos if your motorcycle doesn't have a center stand, make sure that you use a paddock para safe nyo may ikot yung gulong. Okay, and mamaya pakita ko rin na kapag naglulube na tayo, wag nyong ilalagay sa primera. Marami nang na-aksidente doon pag naiipit yung daliri dito. Okay, so first we apply the degreaser dito. Kita nyo naman kung gaano kadumi na. And kung mahiya, be generous in applying the degreaser. Huwag yung tipirin masyado. It will serve its purpose. Okay. Tapos while it's there, you can also apply the same dito sa sprocket naman. Here. Okay, next is we're gonna use the brush here. So, literal, kuskusin nyo lang talaga. Ayan, tapos na. So, kuskusin nyo lang talaga. Yun lang talaga ang gagawin dyan. So, kita nyo na yan. Tapos, of course, if you're doing that, good if you brush it na rin. Makikita nyo naman dito yan kapag inikot nyo. Itong part na to, ito yung na-brush na. Ito, yung hindi pa. So, see how dirty it is. Okay, so, sari-sari, mga alikabok, dumi, nandyan. So, that's important that you maintain your chain. Okay, so naikot na buo. So, one last spin para sa ibang parts ng mga one last spin para matanggal yung mga tumalsik na dumi. Okay, kita nyo kung gaano ko dumi. Yan, putik, grabe. Tapos of course, don't forget in front. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-degrease. Kita nyo naman diferensya. Yung difference niya. Kanina, sobrang itim na. Now, it's clean. Pero, ako, I don't stop there. Kung kaya nyo nang isabay yung paglilinis ng motor bago kayo mag-apply ng chain lube, then much better. Para matanggal yung iba pang dumi na naiwan. Okay, so, yeah, just clean it. Okay, so tapos sa banlawan. Tutuin lang and then we're gonna be applying the chain lube. Pero before we apply the chain lube, linisin muna natin yung cover. So yung kanina pinakita ko, ito na kung gaano kadumi yan. Yan, you also of course need to clean this up. Ang kapal na pala. Panay putik. Linis na. See, ano dumi. Okay, so now we have to put this back. Hindi naman kailangan super higpit niyan, just hand tight will do kasi this is plastic, ayaw natin masira yan. Okay, so we're done with this part. Now we're gonna lube the chain. Okay, simple lang naman sa paglulube ng chain. Syempre sprayan nyo lang siya, pag ganyan lang yan. Pero yung iba kasi yung ginagawa, ilalagay sa primera, ilababa to para automatic iikot ang gulong. Diba? Problema dyan, yung iba nagkakaroon ng aksidente, naiipit yung daliri sa kadena. So, since automatic na umiikot yan, pag ito naipit dyan, there's no turning back, talagang putol yan or talagang it's gonna cause serious damage. Okay? So, wag nyong ilalagay sa primera, don't start the engine. Kapag maglulub kayo ng chain, make sure patay ang makina. Madali, simple lang mag-ikot ng gulong, di ba? Dali lang, ganyan lang. So, tsagain na yan. So ako, naglulub ako ng chain mula dito sa gilid. So, simple as that. And ngayon lang. Make sure lang na covered. So ito yung part na nilub ko. Make sure lang na covered yung mga o-ring din. Yan, you can see the o-ring there, yung black there. And ito o-ring din yan, magkabilang side. So make sure it's covered. Okay? Yan. Okay, so if you're gonna ask ano yung gamit ko, bakit ganyan ang kulay, I'm using an all-weather chain lube from Mac-Off. Pero marami naman dyang ibang chain lube na maganda rin. Yan. Meron pa nga dyang ibang chain lube na may glow in the dark feature. I don't know, I haven't tried that. I have no plans of trying that. Okay na yung ganyan lang. There's also different kind of chain lube. Ito kasi all-weather. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siya kahit umuulan. But there's also a dry chain lube. That's mas mas less oily or sticky. Ito kasi kahit umuulan, okay lang. So hindi siya basa-basa mape-penetrate ng ulan. Yung dry, that's good for dry season basically. Or kung ginagamit yung motor nyo tuwing tag-init lang, hindi nyo siya ginagamit yung umuulan, din that's okay. Mas malinis tignan nyo sa dry. Ito kasi talagang makita mo mukhang makapal yung surface nya, and madali siyang kapitan ng dumi. I'll be honest with that, madaling kapitan ng dumi to. But kung kung marunong naman kayo mag-maintain ng chain nyo at home, then it's okay. Hindi nyo kailangan magbayad lagi pa sa kasa or sa mechanic para lang mag-maintain ng kadena ninyo. Yan, konti na lang. Ito na, kita na yung kanina. It's easy to spot kasi yung kulay niya parang color violet. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now we're done lubing the chain. We're ready for the next ride. Para syempre hindi naman magtampo tong isang motor kasi lagi na lang yung Vespa ang dala ko. Okay, so there. We're ready. Thanks for joining me, guys.